If you mix one avocado with cottage cheese and one egg, then transfer to a baking sheet and top with everything seasoning, then bake, you will have just made the softest, fluffiest, and most delicious high-protein avocado bread. Enjoy!
Hello, so I did my version of it. Actually, I followed the recipe exactly as is, and here it is. It's my bread. So this morning I had two of them already. I'm going to put a little bit of cream cheese on here. You just put a little bit. You can have fun with it. And I'm just gonna taste it now. And it has the everything bagel seasoning around it. It is super good. It is so good for your body. It gives it the nutrients that it needs. It will turn your life around through nutrition. Your mind gets better. Everything gets better. Your whole life gets better.